families. Hi, this is Mrs. Puzo. What I would like to do today is to give you a brief tutorial on how to use one of the resources that we're going to be using quite frequently this school year. This one is called Clever. This is where you're going to be able to access all of the apps, all of the resources that the students will need for the rigorous curriculum that we're going to be getting into this year. All right, now when you get onto clever.com, this is the screen that will pop up. Now first, what you can do is you can type in Marvin and make sure you click the second one that says Marvin Elementary Rittner School District. From here, students can then log in with their Google account. Now I'm not going to be able to show you through the student account, but I can show you what it looks like through the teacher's account. So once I log in, I have many options here, as you can see. Your student will only see S. Puzo's page, plus resources that they'll be able to access. So from here, you see we have 3 different links that the students will be able to access at all times. These are the 3 most important resources that the students will need to be familiar with. And I will make sure I have videos for each separate one. Seesaw is where the students will be conducting all of their assignments. Symbaloo is a great resource to find all of their apps that they'll need, on top of different educational games that I have on there as well. And then this is my virtual classroom. From here, you'll be able to access my virtual library, and you'll also be able to see the new learning targets that we'll be focusing on for the day. I hope this has helped. If you have any more questions, please feel free to ask, and have a wonderful day. Bye now.